Hello, everyone. Welcome to Joyoshare. Today's video is going to show you how to cut music in iTunes on Windows and using the best video audio cutter, Joyoshare VidiKit. First, run iTunes app on your Windows computer. Next, you can add your music to iTunes by clicking on the File option from the menu or dragging and dropping. To cut music in iTunes, now you need to right-click your music file and choose the song info. Press the Options button and then set the start time and end time of your music file freely. Finally, you can export the music file you cut. All you need to do is to press the File button from the menu, and then select the Convert option to choose Create AAC version, and your edited music file will be saved in M4A format. Now you can play your newly created music in iTunes easily. If you want more supported formats and editing features, you can use Joyoshare VidiKit to cut music losslessly. First, you need to launch Joyoshare VidiKit and open Video Cutter. You can press the Open File button or drag and drop to add music to the program. Next, click on the Format button to customize your cutting mode and output format. The encoding mode will help you customize your music file easily. You can also change audio codec channel, sample rate and bitrate. And the high-speed mode will help you cut music losslessly. Now you can begin to cut and trim music precisely in various ways. You are also able to change the simple mode to free mode. One way to cut music is to drag the blue slider directly. To create more audio clips, you can press the plus icon here. You can also use the two marker buttons here to cut and trim music. Another way is to enter the start time and end time of your music clips. If you want to merge your music clips, you can press the Merge Segments button. Finally, you are able to click on the Start button to cut your music. Now you can play and check your newly created music file. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.